In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom profit formulas in Xero reports. By the end, you'll know how to add your own calculated lines to a profit and loss report so you can highlight the metrics that matter most to your business. First, log in to Xero. From your dashboard, head to Reporting. This is where all the built-in financial reports live, and it's the starting point for customizing what you see. Choose Profit and Loss to open the report you want to enhance. Now click Edit Layout. This switches the report into a mode where you can add, modify, or reorganize rows without changing your underlying accounting data. In the top toolbar, click the rows icon. From the options that appear, select Formula. Xero will instantly insert a new untitled formula row into the report layout. Select that new formula row so it's highlighted. When you do, look to the right side Details panel. This is your control center for configuring the calculation. Use the formula builder to create the math you need. You can combine existing report groups and values with standard operators like plus, minus, multiply, divide, and parentheses for order of operations. For example, you might compute a contribution margin by referencing your sales group and subtracting cost of goods sold, or build an adjusted profitability measure by removing specific expense groups. Add the report groups or values into the formula exactly as they appear in your layout. Referencing groups keeps your calculation dynamic, so as the underlying numbers change with new transactions or different date ranges, the formula will automatically update. If you prefer, you can mix in individual lines, but using groups usually makes the formula more robust across periods. Once the calculation is set, rename the formula under row heading. Give it a clear, descriptive title so anyone reading the report understands what the number represents. A good name helps prevent confusion, especially if you're sharing the report with stakeholders who may not know how the formula is built. When everything looks right, click Update Layout. This applies your changes to the report and shows the new calculated row with live figures. You can revisit Edit Layout anytime to refine the formula or adjust the title as your reporting needs evolve. That's it. With these steps, you can create custom financial formulas inside Xero Profit and Loss reports, unlocking advanced reporting tailored to your business and making your insights clearer and faster to act on.